today we are going to start other half of the book. That is, now we are in chapter 6. So as we discussed earlier, like every chapter, Vyakarana part, that is written here, Bhasha Abhyasa part, will have two parts. First one is your Kriya part, and second one is noun part. It is
మా టీచరు సారు
It is because there are only two things in Sanskrit. One is noun, another is verb. So any word has to be either noun or word. So today, so in this course, this 6-month course, we had to study 4 tenses. So today we will study 4th tense in Kriya part. And today we will learn how to use noun for saying some other sentences also. So this tense is today what we are going to study is the future tense, and this is the simplest if you know the present tense. So there will be nothing which you need to know except for certain special dhatus. So except for those special dhatus, this tense is very simple. You need not to worry about it if you know the Vartamana Kala. So with these 4 sentences, Vartamana, Bhoot, Bhavishya and Prarthana, Agnya, Prarthana, you can frame 80% of your sentences while talking or while reading simple Samskrita. They 4 are enough. One other tense is also required in case of somewhere where you have to say something with emphasis, that is taught in the next level. So we'll see this tense how it is. Before that, there is one sukti which we can see. So this is chitte. Chitte means in thought or in mind. Vachi. Vachi comes from speech. In your whatever you are promising, telling. Kriyayam, and in your deeds. All these 3 are in such a vibhakti which tells them that the meaning will be in. So all these 3, they look different because of their classification is different. Chittaha, chittam, both will come and become chitte. Vachi, it is because of the kind of word it is, that is halanta, ending in vyanjana. Kriya is a strilinga, so because of that it becomes kriyayam. So that is why the 3 look different, but the 3 mean same in and respective their meaning. In thought, in speech, in action. Cha. Cha is and. It will add an and everywhere. In thought, in speech, and in work or in the deeds. Mahatam. So there is one, these 2 words are written together. So Mahatam means great people. It is a plural, means great people. Mahatam Eka Rupata. Eka Rupata means they are same, means one. Eka means one, Rupata means form. So they are in whatever you can translate it better as whatever they think, whatever they talk, whatever they do, that all reflects a single thing. It is not like they tell about something but they don't do that, and they don't think about that. So if otherwise, if you have to access it backward, you can say, if you have to grow as a personality or as a human, you should start thinking those things which you want to talk about and which you want to work in. So this way it will have a ripple effect and it will help your growth. So this is meaning of this one. So next I will go directly on the table of this thing and then we'll come back. So this is the Parasmaipadi dhatu. For Parasmaipadi, how the present tense is. So just see, remove this shya. You can see everywhere shya is there. Everywhere shya is there. So just remove this shya, then it will be pathati, pathatah, pathanti, pathasi, pathatah, pathatha, pathami. So here their difference is there. This e and this ya. Because shya you will use, then one a will remain. And then this e also you have to remove. Pathami, pathavah, pathamah. So everywhere see ishya. If you see everywhere sound is coming ishya along apart from the pathati form. So pathati becomes pathishyati. Pathatah becomes pathishyatah. So ishya is getting added everywhere. So if you know this thing, you can make any form. If you know the Vartaman Kala, you can make any future tense. It is that easy. So if I say khadati, khadishyati, like that. So same thing applies into Atmanepadi also. Ishya here also will come. Vandate, now it will become Vandishyate. Vandete, Vandishyete. Vandante, Vandishyante. Like that. So all other remain same. So that is why this is the simplest tense. It has few sentences, for them future tense is different. So that we will see them in separation in special cases itself. So now we will go with the exercise. So now try to understand the word and try to see why it is future and what will be the present or something. Ramaha, Shwaha. Shwaha is for tomorrow. Shwaha, Nagaram. Nagaram is Dvitiya. To city. Gamishyati. So because of this Shwaha, because of tomorrow, it became the verb is becoming future tense. So Ramaha Gamishyati. Rama will go. Shwaha. Kada Gamishyati? Shwaha Gamishyati. He will go tomorrow. So again Kutra Gamishyati? Nagaram Gamishyati. Then Matulaha. Matulaha means mother's brother. Means maternal uncle. Shwaha Agamishyati. He will come tomorrow. Agamishyati. So here the difference you can see. Here Gamishyati. The present tense form is Gachati. So in one different thing in future tense is here the exact root word will be used. So if you remember, for Gachati the root word is Gam. So there Gam converts itself to Gacha, and all three lakaras Gachati, Agachat, Gachatu, everywhere Gach only is used. But in future tense the real verb form will be used and then ishya will be added as it might have been in present tense. Because of this real verb root used, because of this only there are some special cases. So this is the one reason, and then sandhi and other things are also there. So that you keep in mind. So if somebody gachati is there, you are converting into this, it will become gamishyati. Then nirdhanaha means poor people. Anubhavishyanti, they will experience. What they will experience? Kashtam, some problem, some difficulty. Now you see here gasyati. So Shvaha gasyati. Gasyati means will sing. Gayati is the present tense. So this is a one of the special form. So here you will not see ish. So Sakhi gasyati. Who will ka gasyati shvaha? Shvaha sakhi gasyati. Kutra gasyati sakhi? Sabhayam, in the assembly. So see sabhayam. It is matching with kriyayam. So it is like that, means in. So in assembly tomorrow my friend will sing. So pathayishyati. So there are two words. Pathishyati means I will somebody will study. Pathishyati means somebody will teach. Pathati means study. Pathayati means somebody gives some prerana to study. So that is called as, means somebody teaches you. So patheshyati, pathati, patheshyati. Tau. So tau is dvivachana. So the kriya is gamishyatah. It is same. Gamishyati, gamishyatah. Kutra gamishyatah? Rajdhanim gamishyatah. Into capital. Kada? Shvaha. Tomorrow. Dushtan. So see here object is written first. So you can figure it out this way. Dandayishyati, will punish. Right? Kaha dandayishyati? Answer will be Devah dandayishyati. God will punish. Kan dandayishyati? To whom he will punish? Dushtan. So dusht people will be punished by God, because future. So this also is one special. Dadati will become dasyati. They are not much, so you don't need to worry as of now. As of now you just have a table where you put like these are special cases and know them as is. Why they are special, don't let that thought come, because as of now you have to know the vocabulary and go on. One day will come when you will figure it out why they are like this, and as of today believe like that is very practical and acceptable reason what makes them this way. Now te is plural, spardhishyante. So this is Atmanepadi verb. So you can say vandate, vandete, vandante. So vandishyate, vandishyete, vandishyante. So like that. This fellow ishya you can see here. Ishya, ishya. So no, it is normal only present tense. Parashvaha means a day after tomorrow. Te is plural for saha, tau, te. Now sasyani. Sasyani means plants. Sasyam, sasye, sasyani, many plants or plants only. Vardhishyante, same you can say spardhishyante, vardhishyante, because this is Atmanepadi verb. So now we are using tvam. So we are bringing bhavishyasi. So tvam uttirnam bhavishyasi. And you know all the letter ka starting from ka, they are for question mark. Kaha, ka, kim. So the kim will make it question mark. Kim, tvam uttirnam bhavishyasi. What? Will you pass? Like that. Tvam prayatishyase. So this is for vandase. Madhyam Purusha Ekvachana. Chet, if, vardhishyase. Tvam prayatishyase, if you will try with chet. If you will try vardhishyase, then you will improve. So melishyasi, again matching with tvam. Aham shvaha, shvaha is tomorrow. There mostly everybody will have shvaha because to make it future. So otherwise most of the work is done by past and present only. Future tense is very less used in Sanskrit. So because there are other ways to write the sentence. So aham shvaha melanartham prayatnam karishyami. So now you see karomi became karishyami, karishyati, karishyasi, karishyami, like that. So aham shvaha melanartham, for meeting, prayatnam, try, attempt, karishyami, will do. Praparashvaha, day 2 days after tomorrow, aham pustakam pratidasyami. Dasyami means give, pratidasyami means return. So I will return your book after 2 days from tomorrow. Chitram drishtva aham modishye. So ishye, mode. If it was in present tense, you will say aham mode. Now ishya, if it will come, so it will become modishye. Chitram drishtva. Drishtva means after seeing. This is something which is kind of past, just before the current action, that action has. So aham modishye, I will feel happy. So see, this also is kind of different. Shvaha aham panchavadane utthasyami. What will be the present for this? Uttisthami. It is because of again the verb. So the verb root of that verb is stha. Stha dhatu. So when it is used in present tense, we get conversion from stha to tishtha. So that is why we say tishtati, uttishtati. But when you will come in present, as we had seen for gacha and gama, this also stha will be used as stha only. It will not be used as tishtha. So it is same. So again with vayam, you have pathishyamah. If it was in present tense, it will be pathamah. So vayam pathishyamah, we will study. Kam pathishyamah, what we will study? Katham pathishyamah, story. Kada pathishyamah, when we will study? Shvaha pathishyamah. Bhavantah dhanam na lapsyante. So this also is a special case. Labhante, labhate, labhete, labhante. So that is Atmanepadi verb, which becomes lapsyante in future tense. So they are very less. Again, I will repeat, don't worry about them. They are out of pattern. You just know them as is. So as of now, there is no point in going and digging why it is like this, why it is not like others. There is some valid reason for that, which you may not appreciate if you know today. So vayam mahapurushaah bhavishyamah. Vayam bhavishyamah. We will become. What we will become? Ka, ke. Vayam mahapurushaah. We will become great people, great men. So these are the practice for this one. So it is not difficult to learn future tense. So it is same thing. So what he is telling, in future tense, sya sometime, shya sometime will get added. That is used. That is the difference from present tense. So kridashyati, so kridishyati. So instead of sya, you remember ishya. So like I told earlier, because e also comes at the main places, most of the places. So in addition e, so they have written it in this way. So instead of this way, you can remember it isya and ishya directly. So these are the special cases. Pibati becomes pasyati, nayati becomes neshyati, upavishati becomes upavekshyati, uttishtati becomes uthasyati, Dadati becomes dasyati, shaknoti becomes sakshyati, shrunoti becomes shrosyati, janati becomes jnasyati. So that's it. So these whatever are listed, they only are special cases. Apart from them, all other verb roots, you know, they are ishya and isya. If you will add, you will get the form. So with this, we will do a little practice for this, and then we'll go to other thing. So here I will require some participation. So yeah, you can unmute and tell whoever is comfortable. Bhavati, what will be the future tense?
Bhavishyati.
So ishya will add, so it will become bhavishyati. So ti will remain, ishya we will add bhavishyati. Gachati,
Gamishyati.
Gamishyati, because gacha is not the root word. It is not the root word. It is substitution on top of root word with some rule. So in case of future tense, substitutions will not be present. So gach main dhatu is gam. So now gam, ishya and ti. Gam ishyati. So this is in, these two are in which purusha and which vachana?
Ekavachana Uttam Purusha.
Not Uttam Purusha, they are in Pratham Purusha.
Prathama Purusha.
Pratham Purusha, Ekavachana,
Ekavachana.
present tense.
Present tense.
Now bhashate.
Bhashishyate.
Vashishyate.
Bhashishyate.
Bhashyate. So simple only, right? Modate,
Modishyate.
Modishyate.
modishyate. Likhati,
Likashyate.
Lekishyati.
Likishyate.
likhati will become the lekhashyati. Lekhishyati. Yatate,
Itishyate.
yatishyate. Vandate,
Vandishyate.
Vandishyate.
shobhate,
Shobhishyate.
Shobhishyate.
pujayati,
Pujayishyati.
pujayishyati. Karoti,
Karishyati.
karishyati. So it is simple only. Just give little concentration on these, and you will understand. So this one is to study the clear whatever we see in all that verbs, practice and then write. So this I will not ask because there is no logic. We are not expecting any logic. So you can practice what is given in the page and then you can solve this your own. We will solve this one. So here what the question is asking, we will change the following sentences into future tense. So we'll do that. So palaha. So you will tell me the English first and then you will convert it in Sanskrit future tense. Balaha patham pathati.
Boy reading the lesson.
Now what will be the future?
Balaha patam patishyati.
Balaha patham patishyati. So only verb you will change. It will change the because verb will tell what is the time of action. So if you change the verb, nothing else you need to change. So it will change the time of action to future. So chhatraha shlokam vadati.
Chatraha slokam vadishyati.
Sita geetam gayati.
Sita Geetam Gayasati.
Gaishyati.
rice.
Gasyati. Gasyati.
So this is a special form. So here it will be gasyati,
Gasyati.
pasyati, gasyati, like. So pachakaha tandulam pachati. What is the
Vachakha.
Pakaka tandulam. This is also special word, na sir?
Yes,
Pakshayati.
pakshati,
Pakshati.
pakshati.
Cook is cooking. Tandulam. Rice.
Rice. So when rice is hard, it is not cooked, then it is called as tandula. When
Okay.
it is cooked, it is called as annam. So when it is soft. So annam pachati is saying like you are cooking the cooked one. But tandulam pachati means you are cooking the hard one. So sevakaha dhanam labhate.
Sevakaha dhanam
Labishyate.
lapashyate. Lapashyate.
So like that, I will leave some so that you can do, and if you get some question, then you can come back. So I think with this, we are clear on theoretical understanding of what is present tense. Just try to use it. First, try to do the examples here, exercises here, and then try to frame your own. Talk to yourself if nobody is there. Like I will do, aham karishyami. So like that. Small uses you do, so it will be clear. So we'll move to other thing what we have today. So till now we have learned two things in noun and pronoun. First thing what we learned is when a noun or pronoun is doer of some action. So that was the prathama vibhakti. So we saw like how vibhakti like the I will repeat it. So when I have to tell that a person is doer, I will use prathama vibhakti. That is like if the person is Rama, so the root word for Rama is Ram. So Rama is the root word. When I have to make Rama as doer, then I will use the word Ramaha if one Ram is there. So Ramaha gacchati. So action happening is going, gacchati, and doer of that action is Ramah. Suppose now there is another word, root word called as Grama. Grama means village. So now I have to if I say Gramah gacchati, it means again going action is happening and doer is Grama. Means village is going, it means. But this is not the intended meaning. People say going to village. So for to thing, that is the object case, we learnt another vibhakti. That is called as dvitiya. In that visa, we will say gramam gacchati. Going to grama. So if you have to say going to Rama, you will say Ramam gacchati. So he is going to Rama. Harim gacchati. He is going to Hari. Like that. So like you have to say going to school. So the root word you will figure out what is the noun root. So noun root, if you are comfortable with Pumlinga, you can say Vidyalaya. Vidyalaya is the root. So now if you say Vidyalaya gacchati, it means school is going. So you have to make it object. So you going to school, so you will say Vidyalayam gacchati. So that is Dvitiya. If you want to use feminine word for school, so there is a Shala. Shala means school. Shala gacchati means again school is going. Shalam gacchati means going to school. Now who is going to school? Verb is telling you. Gacchati. Gacchati is telling neither you are going nor I am going. So some third person is going to school. Verb is not telling that third person is a masculine or feminine or neuter. Something is there which is going to school. If you have to specify that, you can either use pronoun or you can use the proper noun like Ramah gacchati, Sita vidyalayam gacchati. or Vahanam Vidyalayam Gacchati. Vehicle is going to school, like that. So today what we are going to learn is called as instrumental case. So instrumental, why? Because this tells what is the instrument used to do the action. So suppose, how to figure out what is the instrument is, suppose you are going to school. Now you know three words. Ramaha Shalam Gacchati. We know going is the action happening here. Doer of that action is Ramaha. Then to where he is going, that is school. Now you can ask by what he is going. He is going by walk, or he is going by car, or he is going by cycle. So that particular thing is going by. By, what we say in English, is the for instrument. What instrument is used for that particular action. So now we will see some examples and then we will discuss it again. So Krishi Valaha. So Krishi Valaha, you can say Krishakaha, means person who does agriculture, farmer. Karshati. Karshati means tilling. He is tilling. Farmer is tilling. Now normal question will come, by what? Maybe by tractor or by some other mechanism. So he is telling Halena. So what is the root word? It can be halam or hala. Hala means something. There is a one instrument which is used for tilling. So halena, it is the tritiya vibhakti, or it is the instrumental case, or in Sanskrit this case is called as karana. Karana. So by which the action is done. So now onwards, from this vibhakti onwards, you have one relief. Napumsak linga and pumlinga will be same. So you don't need to remember different forms, or you don't need to think of different forms. So there is effectively only pumlinga and strilinga for each type of ending. So Halena Karshati, Bhaktaha Vandate, devotee prays or praying. Now what, by what he is praying? Anjali. So Anjali becomes Anjalina. Anjali, Anjalina. So this you have to, these are the new words. We will see how they, means the one table will come again. So by Anjalina, by folded hands, I think they say. With folded hands, yes. So Tvam Sprishasi, you touch. By what you touch? Karena. Kara means hand, Karena means by hand. Aham Khandayami, I break something. By what you are breaking that thing? Parashuna, by a axe. Parashurama. So Parashu is an axe. So as of now only two things are there, you see. Ena, Ena. Na and na, there is one process, because of that they get converted. You assume them both as na or na. And second method it is coming na. So mostly it will be that only, either ena or na. So vayam pashyamah. So we are seeing, or we see. By what you see? Netrabhyam. So this is a new word. Netrabhyam is dvivachana, because you have two eyes. So he is telling you are seeing by two eyes. Netrabhyam. So atithayah, this is plural for atithi. Modante, they become happy, or they feel happy. By what? By what they feel happy? Bhojanena, by food, by kind of dinner, lunch you offer. So that is instrument. So that is why it is ena. Again you see halena, karena, bhojanena. So this, till now we have seen dvivachana of tritiya vibhakti or instrumental case, ekvachana of that in different forms. Now we'll see bahuvachana of tritiya vibhakti. So khagaha Khagaha means your birds. Dayante. So Dayante is Atmanepadi for flying. So the birds fly. By what they fly? Pakshaihi. So by wings they fly. Because they have wings, they are called as Pakshi also. So Pakshai is Bahuvachana. So one can ask like why Bahuvachana? There also you can say Dvivachana only. So actually that last tail also you can count in Paksha, because that also helps in flying direction and all. Might be thinking that it is written here Pakshaihi. So otherwise it was Dvivachana only. So Vayam, we all, or we, Kusumaihi Pujayamah. Vayam Pujayamah. We pray. By what you pray? Kusumaihi, with flowers. Sarpaha dashati. Snake bites. By what he bites? Dantaihi, by many teeth, or by teeth. Dantaihi, plural. Mala bhavati. Garland is made. By what? Pushpaihi, by many flowers. Haraha bhavati. Necklace happens, or necklace is made by what? Mani bhihi, by many mani, jewels. Vastram bhavati. So a cloth is made by what? Tantu bhihi. Tantu bhi means all threads, by threads. Bhimaha tadayati. Bhima is troubling somebody. By what? Gadaya. So gada is the word. In this case it becomes gadaya. So janani tarjayati. So mother is scolding. By what? Angulya, by showing finger. So ratrihi shobhate. Night is looking good. By what? Chandrikaya. Chandrikaya means moonlight. So Guravaha, plural of Guru. Alikhan, past tense plural. Gurava, teachers, you can say loosely. Teachers wrote. What? By what they wrote? Lekhanya. If I have to ask here question what they wrote, then you will have to answer in karma. You will say patham or pathan. Guruvaha patham lekhanya alikhan. So tvam aswadase. You taste. So by what you taste? So you taste by rasanaya. Rasanaya means tongue. Aham jigrami. I smell. By what you smell? Nasikaya. Nasika is the word. By using nasika is nasikaya. Tvam jivasi. You live. By what you live? Vidyaya. By knowledge or by study something. So this is Tritiya Vibhakti or instrument case or Karana. So okay. So till now we have seen there are two cases in Vibhakti. Once in Dvitiya also we have seen. One case is where Vibhakti is because of general rule. So since it is an object, it has to be Dvitiya Vibhakti. Since it is a Karana or instrument, it has to be Tritiya Vibhakti. But one other case also is there which tells like if certain words are there, then this Vibhakti should be used. So like we have seen if Ubhayataha, Abhitaha, Paritaha are there, you have to use Dvitiya. That is some kind of rule. So similarly for Tritiya also there are some words. If those words are there, you have to use Tritiya. So like Saha, Sakam and Sardham, there are two other words. So, one second, some message. Okay. So, Sakam and Sardham, there are two other words. They have same meaning, with only. If they are also used, then the thing they are combining with will become Tritiya Vibhakti. So, here an example is there. Sita Ramena Sardham Viharati. So, Sita is roaming with Rama. If we have to say it in other way, then we can say Ramaha Sitaya Sardham Viharati. Rama is roaming with Sita. So whoever is with you have to say that person or that thing will go in Tritiya. Krishnaha Maya. So Maya is a new word. So like we had seen Aham for me, Mom for mine, to me, sorry, to me. Now Maya is by me. So if Krishna is Krishna came with you, so you will say Krishna Maya Sakam Agatwan. What is Agatwan? We will study later. You can say he came as of now. Vayam Sambhashamahe. So we are talking. With whom? Mitraihi Saha. With friends. Here Ramena Saha. With Rama. Lakshmanaha. Lakshman. Aranyam, to forest. Gatwan, went. So Lakshmanaha with Ram Aranyam Gatwan. Now this is a big sentence, but here also if you see that free language order is intact. You can say Lakshmanaha Saha Ramena Aranyam Gatwan, or you convert it anyway. You know Saha is there, so whoever is Saha with, that fellow will be in third case or in Karana or in Tritiya Vibhakti. It doesn't matter where he is in whole sentence. So if you take Ramayana and put at the end also, then also logic will figure out, like Ramayana is the person who has to be with Saha, not the Lakshmanaha. So this is the table now. So for Pumlinga, it will become Ramena Ramaihi. Somewhere it will be na, somewhere it will be na. In our group, I had sent like what is the rule. But if you don't understand, with this we know by our DNA. So once you will say Ramena, you will feel like this doesn't suit. So it should be Ramena. As of now, you can depend on that intuition, and that will work. So Ramena Ramaihi. For Strilinga, Ramaya Ramabhihi. Napumsak Linga will be same as Pumlinga. So no need to know for this one. Ikaranta will become Harina Haribhihi. Here also Harina is Harina because of Nana is there. Haribhihi is matching with this. So Matya Ramaya Matya for Mati Matibhihi and Dadhna Dadibhihi. So you can say here it will be capital and Bhihi. Mostly people will have Bhihi except Akaranta Pumlinga and Akaranta Napumsaklinga. So this you have to see once and then start doing practice. You keep this thing in front of you and do practice. Once you do around 100 sentences, then your mind will learn that this is a sentence which is used, and then you can start relating. So similarly like this, all our sarvanamas also are in same way. So tena taihi, by him, by them. For saha. Now you see Napumsaklinga is exactly same. Tena taihi. No need to know anything further. Taya. Taya is matching with Ramaya. Balikaya. Tabhihi means by her, by them again. Eten is just adding a. So eten, etaihi, etaya, etabhi. So that is this. Question also matches the same. Ken, by whom? Kaihi, by whom all. Kaya, by whom, again feminine, and kabhi. Ken kaihi, napumsaklinga, pumlinga, again same. For asmad, uttam purusha, you have maya and asmabhihi. So last was what? Mam asman. Now you will say maya asmabhihi. It is done by us. So you can say asmabhihi, done by us. Okay, past tense, leave it. We'll use some simple sentence. Tvaya, these two are always matching. Maya, tvaya, asmabhi, yushmabhi. So if you know one, you know other. So this is Tritiya. So let's see. The question is always asked on the verb. By or with what will be the question here. Put on the verb. So like Karshati, tills, he tills, cane. With what he tills? Halen, with the blow. Again, the second rule, Saha, Sakam, Sardham. They all mean same, with. So if it is there, the with thing, who is with, will go in Tritiya. Kaihi saha, Shishubhihi saha. So this also is there, abstract nouns in instrumental case if they are adverbs. So this you can understand. So this is what is Tritiya. So till now we have seen like the Nama Padas are nouns. They get, this is called, they get declined. They are expanded, or declined is the word used, in different form to give you different meaning. But there are some Namapadas or some nouns which fall in umbrella of noun which didn't get declined earlier and in future also. So since they are not getting declined, they are called as avyayani. This is for plural. So napumsaklinga plural. So if you have to say indeclinable, you will say avyayam. A is for negation. Negation means no. Vyayam. Vyayam means declension. So no declension for few words. So you can say you don't need to remember Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya for some kind of noun words. So they all will remain in only one form. So that is a good news for all those people who feel like in Sanskrit everything will be declined. And these are quite much used in both literature and in communicative language both. So they will be only one form. So no declension. So few of them are written here like antah bahihi. So antah bahihi will always give one meaning and it will have only one form, inside outside. Diva, so no need to worry about it is akaranta something or something. It is an avyayam. It will not decline. Only those things which have different forms, there only we need to know about classification. Where there is only one form, there is no worry to know about classification. So tushneem means silently, swayam, ma. So ma vadatu, like we say for negation, but we never take the any other vibhakti for this. So this you can go through. Sarvatra, Samyak, Punaha, kadachit, upari, chet, uchchaihi. So like that. So here he is telling Udyanat bahihi antah cha vrikshaah bhavanti. You can see the bold letters. They are for those kind of letters which never get declined, and they are called as avyaya, avyayam. So naktam means night, diva means day, akashe, in akasha, nakshatrani, stars, naktam rajanti, they shine in night, diva, in day, na rajanti, doesn't shine in day. Sa gayati, she is singing. Tushnim tishtha, you sit silently. So like that you see. So these are the avyayas. So thing here is now once you will start reading some little bigger sentences, so then you can see like where these avyayas are used. So wherever avyayas are used, where the kriya padas are used, so you will figure out those are separate. Then you can separate the declined noun, and it is done. So one avyaya he is explaining chet. Chet is said for if in English. So here are the examples. Karoti chet, if one does. Agachati chet, if one comes. Nasti chet, if not. So asti chet, if it is. So chet is a word. This is most useful when for communicative language. So there people use it much. So there are few pairs. They are always used in pairs. This also is for sambhashanam. Yada tada. So when, then. So you can see here when, then. Examples you can see here. Yada dharmasya glanihi bhavati tada devaha avatarati. When dharma declines, then deva comes. So they always will be in pair. If any shloka and all you see yada and you are not seeing next letter as tada, don't worry. That next letter might come somewhere in down the line. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata. So there is no tada in this line. But tada will come later because they always come in pairs. So similarly, other pair is this. All you read your own and write, and if you have any problem, you tell. Similarly, yadi tarhi. Yadi tarhi is if then. So they also will come in pair. Yadi virama hasti, if you have holiday, tarhi agacha, then come. Yadi pustakam asti, tarhi pradarshaya. If you have a book, then show. So like that. Yavat tavat. So that is so long as. And yatha tatha. Yatha raja tatha praja. As king is, so are the people. Yadyapi, even though, tathapi, still. So these are few pairs. So with this we will do some exercise, and then here only one thing and is there that you have to practice, because practice has no any I can't say any other thing like you can do optionally practice and do this thing, it will be faster. No, practice has no other option. You have to practice. It will be faster if you can practice in little sambhashana also, or you read some small stories or something where you can start framing the meaning, because reading dry grammar is tough. If you make some sentences, you talk some small sentences, or you read some small sentences, then it will mind will get more map to create in itself, and that will help learning. only if you read here it will come, but it will require more effort. Okay. So Krishivalah Ken Karshati. What is the meaning of this sentence in English, and then what will be the answer? Please, somebody.
Farmer. How does a farmer till?
Yes. Answer.
Krishivalah halen karshati.
Krishivalah Halena Karshati. So Bhimah Kaya Tadayati.
How does Bhima beat or hit?
So if you see these things will, if you know this Kena is
With what? By what? With
it is Pumlinga or Napumsaklinga Ekavachana. So your question will give you a clue what kind of word is in answer. So here when it is asking Kaya is Strilinga Ekavachana.
Gadaya.
So Gadaya, because Gada is a Strilinga word. So here Akaranta. Uttar Deshah Kabhi Virajate.
उत्तरदेशः नदीभिः विराजते.
So again Kabhi is telling Bahuvachana and Strilinga. So that way you know. Tvam Kaya Likhasi.
How do you write? How do you write?
What is the answer here? Kaya. Kaya is what? Kaya is again Strilinga Ekavachana. So answer will be Strilinga Ekavachana. So Lekhanya, Ankanya, anything you can say, right? So let's convert this to Karana. Chhatraha Patham Pathati. Chhatra is reading the lesson. So now you have to tell.
छात्रः संतोषेण पाठं पठति.
So see, Santoshena you will not say, because we our Indian language is that much data they have kept in our head. We know it is Santoshena only. Next one.
सेवकः दण्डेन.
Dandena, by stick or by Sevakah Shunakam Tadayati. Shunakam means to dog. Tadayati, he is beating or making troubling him. By what he is troubling? Dandena, by stick. So I will do it fast. You can try doing your own later and while doing and ending. So it will be a revision.
महोदय दधि. Dadi.
Dadhi means curd. Dadhi, dadhini was in there. Dadhi is curd. So Bhaktaha Devam Pujayati. Devotee is praying to God. By what he is doing this puja?
Pushpaihi.
Pushpani is there, right? So it has to go in plural. So it will become Pushpaihi. Sauchikaha is tailor. Vastram Kartayat. He is cutting the cloth. By what it is cutting? Kartarya. By Kartari.
Scissors.
So then Sandeepaha Saha Kridati. So you know Saha is there. So anything with Saha will become Mitraihi. Because plural. So plural will be Mitraihi. Navikaha Nadim Tarati. The boatman is crossing river. By what he is crossing?
Naukaya.
Naukaya, because it is Strilinga Ekavachana. Then Sannyasi Devam Toshayati. Sannyasi is satisfying the God. By what he is satisfying?
Stotraihi.
So it will become stotraihi. Then Chhatrah Gananam Karoti. Student is calculating. Now by what he is calculating? Anguli. One. So one
Angulibihi.
anguli. No, one anguli is there. So Angulya.
One.
This what is written only we will convert in Tritiya. Angulya. So actually, as you said, it should have been here Angulyah, so that we can write there Angulibhi. So Chhatraah Sah Sambhashante. So Chhatraah Sah Sambhashante. So Sah, whoever is Adhyapikaah. So
Adhyapikaihi.
Adhyapikabhi. No, Strilinga.
Abhi.
Strilinga Bahuvach. Adhyapikabhi. अध्यापिकाभिः सह सम्भाषन्ते. रामः राक्षसैः सह युद्धं कृतवान्. Right? So let's match this thing. Yada
Tada.
tada. Yadyapi
Tadapi.
tathapi. Yadi
Yadi tahi.
Tarhi.
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 Tarhi. If then. Yavat
Tavat.
Tavat.
tavat. Yatha
Tatha.
Yada tada.
tatha. We'll do this one also. Cat is in the house.
Marjalah.
So what it is, he is trying to he is asking you to use the avyayam.
Okay.
So for in avyaya is
Antaha.
Asti.
antaha.
Ha.
Marjalah. Antaha.
Marja.
Asti.
Rahasya.
Asti.
Rahasya.
Kasya antaha? Whose antaha?
Grahasya.
House.
Grahasya.
So actually this I am not asking to do because this requires this is not a proper exercise here. This requires to knowledge of other things. So you can leave it here. We will do when we will do final revision. Then we will do this exercise. So with this, now you ask if you have any doubt in what is the future tense and what is Tritiya, what are what
That in the house is locative vibhakti.
that way also you can say, or if you are using, so you can say antah means inside. So who's inside? Grihastya antah. That also you can say like inside my house or inside of house, that way. Because the question is asking you to use the indeclinable. Otherwise, you can say the location you can use. It is only for this case because it is asked you here.
Okay.
Just think if you have any doubt. Then
And
other-
Gatvan can become Agachan, right?
no. So this is Gatwan is a different kind of past tense that I will tell. I think it is in next chapter or next to next.
Instead of Gatvan, can we use Agachan?
No, you can use agachat, agachat, because Ramah is the doer, right? So Ramah, if in this case, like Ritwan is there, right? So this is Ekvachana. So matching past tense of Ekvachana only you have to akarot. Here it will be akarot. Ramah rakshasaihi saha yuddham akarot. Understood, right?
Yeah. Astu Mahati.
Any other question? Any concept-wise problem?
One more thing.
Uday.
Ikaranta and Ikaranta is almost the same
Yes,
declension.
almost the same. Yes. Actually, there are not much declension, but initially, since that is the problem, if you read any language not by speaking into that, so then it looks lengthy. So if you start speaking little words, then you will understand. Like people never ask questions. Once you have vocabulary built inside, and the map of that vocabulary is understood by brain, then we should study grammar. If you study grammar first, then it looks bulky. So end of the day, ikarantas are quite same. So all fine, right? So anyway, anytime you are doing, when you are doing revision, if you get any doubt, uh, we will discuss. So with this, we will stop our today's class. Meet on Friday. Thank you everyone. Shubhratri.
Thank you,
Namaste.
Mahati.
Shubhratri. Thank you, Mahati.